Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. As you can see, we're not at Motech, we are at Ac Schnitzer. Let's go see some demo cars. As you can see, two stunning demo cars behind me. One, BMW i4 M40i, absolutely amazing in the green and the tan interior. Bit of a Tony TRL spec. As you can see, front splitter on this particular car, side fins, rear spoiler in carbon, and the little aero flicks look really, really good. Nice Ac Schnitzer decor pack onto it as well. Sit on their springs, and the 20-inch black wheels one side and the bi-colour the other. Real nice touches on this car. So now over to the M240i G42. Massive fan of these in Portimao blue, looks really good with the black accents, very similar to our M340D. This car runs a 20-inch gloss black wheel, and as you can actually see, it's actually on winter tyres. Over here in Germany, it is mandatory that they run winter tyres when it's cold and miserable. This car has their engine cover kit, along with their tuning box, going to give the car another 50 horsepower. So it's over the 400, about 410 they believe, so it should be pretty quick. Axle back exhaust, so the carbon tailpipes. Top roof spoiler, painted body colour in the blue, very similar to ours. And the rear spoiler is quite interesting. It's just these huge winglets, if you like. In the gloss black, it looks really good. On a black car, that would look absolutely amazing. Sitting on their spring kit works really well. And in the interior, as you can see, it has the carbon paddle shifters, the steering wheel, pedal set, and iDrive controller. Now, what's interesting is the paddles, never a big fan of them. I always thought they looked a little bit unfinished, but when you physically put your hand on the wheel and where they're positioned, they really have a function over form. They look amazing, they feel even better, and they actually really work, which is something about their ethos that Ac Schnitzer have. It's got to actually work, can't just be about looks. So the front and rears obviously produce a bit of downforce. We'll show you that on the M4 Cabriolet as well they have. That car actually produces more downforce because of the front splitter. So overall, what a package. M240i owners, this is something we're going to be offering you, a complete drive-in, drive-out package. Let us know what you think.